Hello students, in today's session of NCERT Chapter, Thermal Properties of Matter, very basics on the topic of thermometry and thermal expansion. Basics will be cleared through illustrations. In today's session, we are going to discuss temperature scale on 1, temperature scale on 2, right? This temperature, then temperature difference of 1 equal to temperature scale on 2. Relation between degree centigrade, Fahrenheit, Kelvin, Reaumur, right? All these chapters are going to be discussed. And also expansion of solids, liquids and gases. Alpha is to beta is to gamma, 1 is to 2 is to 3. All the points, all the concepts going to be very important, requested to go through the session completely. Let's start with the question and concepts. Question is, on a temperature scale X, the boiling point of water is 65 degree X and freezing point is minus 15 X. Assuming that X scale is a linear, the equivalent temperature corresponding to minus 95 degree X on Fahrenheit scale would be. 4 options are given to you, one of the options is correct. Concept, applicable and solution. General formula. This is general formula. General concept. Temperature theta minus I point upon boiling point minus ice point of any one scale equal to theta minus ice point divided by boiling point minus ice point of second scale. This is a general concept, right? And this is for temperature, and for temperature difference, this is for temperature, this is for temperature difference. Delta theta upon boiling point minus ice point of one scale equal to temperature difference divided by boiling point minus ice point of the second scale. Right? These are specific scales. Specific scales. Degree centigrade, ice point is 0, 100 is boiling point 0. C minus 0, 100 minus Fahrenheit. F minus 32, 212 minus 32. This is Fahrenheit. Reaumur, R minus 0, 80 minus 0. Kelvin, K minus 273, 373 minus 270. These are the specific scales. In the given question, according to question, 2 scales are there. X scale is there, and next is Fahrenheit. We have to find the answer. Given temperature is minus 95. Minus 95 minus 15. Ice point is 15, minus 15. And boiling point of water is 65. 65 minus 15 equal to F minus 32 upon 212 minus 32. On simplification, minus 95 plus 15 upon, this comes out to be 90 equal to F minus 32 upon 180. On simplification, this comes out to minus 80 upon 90 equal to F minus 32 upon 180. So this goes to F minus 32 will be equal to minus 160. F comes out to be minus 160 plus 32. That is minus 148. 148 is the option. Yes, A is the correct option. A is the So F comes out to be minus 1 degree, minus 148 degree Fahrenheit. Means minus 75 on X scale is equivalent to minus 148 degree Fahrenheit on Fahrenheit. A option is correct. Right? Next question. Question is, the steam point and ice point of mercury thermometer are marked as 80 degree and 20 degree. What is the temperature in centigrade mercury scale? This temperature is 32. Right? Concept applicable and solution. For any temperature, this is the general concept. General concept. This is the general concept. Temperature, any temperature minus ice point divided by boiling point minus ice point of one scale is equal to temperature minus ice point upon boiling point minus ice point of scale 2. In the given question, one scale is not a standard one, one is this one, degree centigrade wala. So we will put equal these two. Means theta minus ice point upon boiling point minus ice point of 1 equal to C minus 0 upon 100 minus 0 in degree centigrade. These are two scales. We have to find 80, 60, 32. This 32 upon 80 minus 20 of one scale equal to C minus 0 upon 100. Right, this comes out to be 12 upon 60 equal to C upon 100. C comes out to be 20 degrees centigrade. Means if we want to convert these temperatures on one scale into degree centigrade scale, the answer will be 20 degrees centigrade. This is the answer. Right? Next question. Question is, the temperature of an anope is heated from 30 degrees centigrade to 90 degrees centigrade. What is the temperature on Fahrenheit scale and on Kelvin scale? Concept applicable and solution. These scales are for any temperature. Any temperature. ये आइस पॉइंट होता है और नीचे वाला ये बॉइलिंग पॉइंट होता है. Boiling point minus ice point, and for temperature difference, in the numerator, this is the temperature difference of 1, this is the temperature difference of 2. Now, in this case, we have to case 1. Degree centigrade to convert into Fahrenheit scale. So delta C upon 100 minus 0 equal to delta F 212 minus 32. That is delta F upon 180. We have to find this. We have to find this, and this is given. Simple calculation, substituting values. Temperature difference is 90 minus 30. 30 upon 100 equal to delta F upon 180. On simplification, this comes to 60 upon 100 equal to delta F upon 180. This goes. On simplification, this comes out to be 6 into 18. This comes out to means 60 degrees centigrade temperature difference on Fahrenheit would be equal to 100 degrees. This is the temperature difference. Be very, very careful. Temperature difference. Now case 2. In case 2, we have to apply Kelvin scale. Kelvin में क्या होगा 60/100 equal to delta K/100. So delta K equal to 100 K. That is the answer. Right. Next question. Before start of the next question, I would like to say that these conceptual videos for the purpose of 11th standard, 12th standard, state boards, CBSE board, JEE Main, JEE Advanced, NEET, CUET, and other examination. These concept killing videos are very, very helpful and useful, which you can review on YouTube channel Sethi Learn. In addition to this, I would like to say that these papers, complete video of sessions are available on Sethi Learn YouTube channel, which you can review on Sethi Learn. In addition to this, further, these papers, detailed solution with additional information available on website sethilearn.com. You can visit the site and have the solution. इसी के साथ साथ मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा कि अगर अभी तक आपने YouTube चैनल Sethi Learn सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट एंड शेयर विद योर colleagues and friends. Now let's start with the question. Question is, a steel rod of length 1 meter is heated from 25 degrees centigrade to 75 degrees centigrade, keeping its length constant. The longitudinal strain developed in the rod is coefficient of linear expansion of steel is given to you 10 into 10 to the minus 6 per degree centigrade. Steel. Right. Concept applicable in solution. 4 options are given to you, one of the options is correct. Generally, what happens on heating? Either length will increase, area will increase, volume will increase. It is a case of solid. Depending on the question requirement, what is given in the question, right? In the given question, it is given length is constant. According to question, length is constant. Generally, length increases on heating, on solids. No. Means as it is constant, therefore compressed strain means length is decreased by delta L. So strain will be equal to longitudinal strain will be minus delta L upon L. Delta L upon L. So delta L will be equal to minus L into strain will be equal to, so you know alpha equal to delta L upon L into delta theta. So this comes out to be alpha into L into delta theta upon L. This is goes substituting values. Alpha is given to you, this is the negative sign. Alpha is given to you 12 into 10 to the minus 6. 12 into 10 to the minus 6 into delta theta is 75 to 25. 75 to 25 degrees centigrade. That is 12 into 10 minus 6 into, this comes out to be 50. On simplification, this comes out to be 66 minus 4. Minus 6 into 10 to the minus 4. Minus 6. So minus 6 into 10 to the minus 4. This is the answer, right? So this comes out to be C option. C option is correct option. C option is correct option. This is the answer. Right? Next question. Question is, the radius of ring is R and its coefficient of linear expansion is alpha. If the temperature of the ring increases by theta, then circumference will decrease by. If the temperature of the ring increases by theta, then circumference will increase by. 4 options are given to. One of the options is correct. Concept applicable in solution. Topic on thermal expansion. Thermal expansion is minimum in case of solids but maximum in case of gases, because intermolecular force is maximum in solids but minimum in gases. Solids can expand in one dimension, as a linear, 2-dimension superficial, 3-dimension volume expansion, while liquids and gases usually suffer change in volume only. Coefficient of linear expansion, that is denoted for change in length upon original length into temperature difference. Coefficient of superficial expansion, that is beta, change in area divided by original area into temperature difference. And coefficient of volume expansion, gamma, is equal to change in volume upon original volume into temperature difference. Relation between these is 1:2:3. 1:2:3. Now according to question, radius of ring is there. So circumference will be 2 pi r. That is initial length. Delta theta is given to you. Theta. That is alpha equal to delta L upon L into delta theta. This is applicable here. Delta L. Right? We have to find delta L. Alpha is given to coefficient of linear expansion. We know the formula alpha equal to delta L upon L into delta theta. Very simple. Delta L equal to alpha into L into delta theta. Substituting the value alpha into 2 pi r into theta. So on simplification, 2 pi r alpha theta. I think this is the answer. Let's see the 2 pi r alpha theta. B option. B option is the correct option. B option is the correct option. Right. Next question. Question is, on heating a liquid having coefficient of volume expansion gamma in a container having coefficient of linear expansion gamma by 2, the level of the liquid in the container will rise, fall, remain same, cannot be predicted. 4 options are given to you. One of the options is correct option. We know coefficient of volumetric expansion is change in volume upon original volume temperature difference. And relation between alpha, beta, gamma is 1:2:3. Right? According to question, if we heat suppose this is the initial level. This is the initial level. Now if we heat it, this is the after heating, or this is also after heating, depending on the coefficient of linear expansion. When container is in contact with heat, it will expand first. And then after, liquid will expand. Now, depending on the coefficient of volume expansion. Now, according to question, coefficient of volume expansion or liquid is gamma, and that of container is 3 into gamma by 2. Because linear expansion is given to you, it is a linear expansion. Therefore, coefficient of cubical expansion will be 3 gamma by 2. And as alpha is to beta is to gamma is to 1 is to 2 is to 3. Right? Now, means container will expand more. Right? Therefore, correct answer will be B. Correct answer will be option B is correct. Option B is correct. One thing more. We know real expansion minus expansion of container equal to opponent expansion. This is the formula generally. Now in this case, we have discussed in detail why it is applicable. Answer is B. B is the correct answer. Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, Sethi Shift Learn Sethi, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.